Homemade recipes are always the best, and trust me, the taste is on another level. So today we decided to make it this homemade puff puff, bofrot to where anyhow you will call this, and trust me, the taste was absolutely delicious. I am so glad to share the recipe with you. If today is the first time here, this is Lena, and welcome to my kitchen where I share easy recipes. I just don't want to waste much of your time. Let's get into today's activity and you will fall in love with it. I have with me here a tablespoon of yeast, that is active dry yeast, not instant dry yeast. Okay, active dry yeast, and I will just add a cup of my water. You can use your milk, but we are not going to use anything dairy. I've added a tablespoon of sugar. Mix it very well. Keep it in the warm place till you see bubbles on top. That means your yeast is active. Now, after we have seen that the yeast is active, I am just going to add 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Mix it very well and you are good to go. But we are going to add our other ingredients before we mix this. I've added some sugar, and I've added a pinch of salt. Use the sugar, or the quantity of the sugar depends on how you want it. Okay, I don't want it very sweet because we do not eat sugar. Now I'm just going to add about 3 tablespoons of sugar. I added 2 tablespoons of margarine, and then I've added a pinch of salt. I'm just going to add my nutmeg and then mix this very well. What is puff puff bofrot without nutmeg? The nutmeg adds some flavor and taste to it, and the nutmeg also makes you feel the original taste and then the original flavor. Mix it, and when it becomes uniform, I'll show you what to do. Are you still with me? If yes, thank you so much. Then it means you like the video. Can you like the video for me? Share to others, and I'll be extremely happy if you leave me your comments in the comment section. We share recipes that are less than a minute and a minute videos, okay, on YouTube Shorts, Instagram, and then TikTok. Kindly follow us there for more updates and you'll fall in love with our recipes. Try and then mix it very well. I added about 3 tablespoons of water to it. Okay, so mix it very well and just continue with it. If you are a beginner, please make sure it has not become watery, because it will be very difficult for you to drop it. So just make sure it's a bit hard, not hard, but just like this, and you are good to go. So just use the measurement and you are going to get it perfect. Just look at that. Now I am just going to do it with my spatula and then beat it very well before we proceed again. If you have vanilla, just go ahead and then add some vanilla to it, okay, and trust me, it will add more flavor to it. So I am beating it with the hand before I switch to the spatula. Just look at how I'm doing it. We are on all social media platforms, and the name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Kindly follow us for more videos. On YouTube here, we have another channel which the name is Recipe Goddess. We share the recipes using the local dialects, so kindly follow us there, and I'll be sharing more things there, so follow me, okay? Yes, so I'll continue beating it just like this, like how you're seeing on the screen, till it is okay for me, and then we proceed. Now it is okay. I'll keep it in a warm place for about 1 hour, and it depends on where you are. If the place is very hot, maybe 30 minutes it should be ready, or it should increase in size, and then you continue with the recipe. I hope you get it. Thank you once again if you are still with me, and please, I am still please, I'm still reminding you, subscribe for more videos. It is absolutely free, and like the video for me. Now we are back after an hour. Our dough is ready. Just look at that. As I talk to you right now, I have my oil on fire, so I dip my hand in it to bring out some of the air. Okay, I have the oil on fire and it is hot. This is how we are going to drop it. You can drop it from the top in between your thumb and then the next, or down in between the little finger and then your palm itself. Okay, you can drop it that way as well, but I prefer the one you are seeing on the screen. You can see it is so easy to drop it. Make sure the fire is not too high and it is not very low as well, because it will burn or it will absorb a lot of oil whilst it will not cook inside. Flip it to the other side if the other side is well fried or is fried. Okay, if you do not hold it in the oil, it can be flipping by itself because they are light, as you can see on the screen. We waited for some time and let me show you how it looks. Just look at that. At this moment your puff puff is ready, but I just wanted that brown that you will see on the roadside. Okay, very brown. That is what I want. So we are just going to allow it to become more brown before we remove it from the oil. I hope you understand. But if you want it this way, you can just go ahead and then remove it from the oil. Now our puff bofrot tobe is ready. I hope your Hausa cocoa is ready, your tea is ready, your porridge is ready. Just serve yourself and pick about 3 and serve yourself. Yes, thank you so much for spending some time with me. You can't afford to miss the next upload, so let me see you in the next upload. It's bye for now. Bye bye.